So this is what I mean about going to Lowe's, or going to any place that has lumber. Be really careful what you buy. So Lowe's wanted to charge me because I'm going to do some edging. Alexa, pause that. Sorry about that. Playing some Elvis Presley. They wanted to charge me $22 for a piece of this edging to use on my shelf. And I'm like, that's insane. It's a really small piece of wood. Maybe it's made out of a better wood than, this pallet wood that I've been repurposing. But this pallet wood looks absolutely fantastic. I got this pallet wood all for free. So be really careful what you buy from Lowe's. You don't have to spend an arm and a leg to have yourself, some really nice pieces of wood, and I found this other piece of wood here just laying around. I'll use it as a shelf. It just happened to be the perfect size. This piece down here is going to work as well. I mean, it's amazing. And here I am buying all this stuff, these pieces that are real expensive from Lowe's that I didn't need. So, yeah, make sure you take advantage of all the resources. Check out their bins. They usually have bins of, scrap wood and stuff like that. To me, if it's not a really, really good piece of plywood, if it's got knots in it or marring on the sides or, it's got cracks, have them take some money off of it and just fill it in with glue or sand it down or repair it if you can. So anyways, just thought I'd throw that in there. Thanks for... Oh, one thing I did want to add that I didn't add in my last video. You know what? I will put it in my next video. Thanks for watching.